Take this as your sign to get your grill fired up, even if you haven't already. This salmon with its brown sugar rub and mango salsa will make you your family's backyard barbecue hero. It's quite the title. It's actually the title of my next guest's recently released cookbook. Susie Bulloch's online brand, Hey Grill Hey, aims to turn ordinary people into confident backyard grillers. She joins me through the screen to share her weeknight salmon recipe. Hey, Susie, how are you? Congrats on the new cookbook, sister.
Good to see you. It's been a minute.
It has. I love the title, Backyard Barbecue Hero. And you say your book will help viewers really step into this role with confidence this summer.
Yes, and honestly, that's what it's all about. That moment when you put that plate of food down and your friends, your family, your guests are like, ah, it feels like you're wearing a cape and goggles and you can do anything. And so that's what I live for, is that backyard barbecue hero moment. And that's what I named my cookbook, because I want everybody to have that feeling of confidence when they hit the backyard.
Listen, not all heroes save lives. Some of us just make salmon, and you've got a delicious salmon recipe pulled from the pages of that awesome book. The mango salsa on top is what sold me. Show me how to put it together, if you would.
So easy. I call this my weeknight salmon because it's one that you can throw together pretty quickly. One of the fun things about the book is that I include all the rubs and sauces too. So this starts with a homemade brown sugar rub. So brown sugar, salt, pepper, honestly, pantry ingredients. And one of the secrets is the dried basil. And then onto the dried basil, the salt, the pepper, the garlic, fresh lime zest. I think a little kick of that fresh citrus adds such an amazing note of flavor to balance out the brown sugar and the smoked paprika in the rub. And
I wouldn't think to use citrus. I wouldn't think to use citrus in a rub. That's cool.
We're going to use it two ways. So we're going to use the zest in the rub, and then we'll use the juice in the mango salsa. So you really get the most bang of flavor for your buck. And it all ties together from the seasoning side to the salsa on top. So before I get this seasoning onto my salmon, it already smells so good, I have to start prepping my mango salsa. And I'm going to give you a little tip here, maybe save you some money at the grocery store, and another way to use your grill. We're going to make our own roasted red bell peppers. And I know you can buy these from the grocery store, but the jars are pretty expensive. You can make them yourself so easily. A little bit of oil on a red bell pepper directly over the coals. Let it blister on all sides. It only takes a couple minutes if you have a hot grill. You can do this on your propane grill also. I love charcoal. I've come around all the way. And once it's blackened, you pop it in a zip top bag and let it steam. That makes your peppers really soft and delicious. It takes in all that smoky flavor. And then you can just use the bag to rub off the charred skin on the outside. Pull that whole pepper out.
Oh, that's genius.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So easy.
Okay.
Slice it into strips, dice it. That goes into our diced mangoes.
Susie, girl, we've got a quick minute left, so push us through this recipe if you can.
Okay. Love it. Diced bell peppers goes into the mango, right? Salmon, seasoned, comes off the grill. Beautiful. And then we top it with that fresh mango salsa. And it really is an easy weeknight dinner. Takes a couple minutes of prep. Smoky flavor from the grill. Yeah. And you've got yourself a beautiful weeknight dinner. So okay, rice or couscous.
Really quickly, when do you decide to use a rub versus a marinade? Is there a rule of thumb there?
I use a marinade when I want something to have flavor all the way through it, or something that could be dry. So think like a chicken breast tends to dry out. Okay. Marinades are amazing. Or a steak that doesn't have a lot of flavor, like a chuck steak or a sirloin, awesome for marinade.
Okay. All right. Hey, where can we get your cookbook before we say goodbye?
You can find it on my website, heygrillhey.com. It's also available at Scheels. If you like shopping at Scheels, you can find my rubs and sauces there as well. And it should be on Amazon May 1st.
Congratulations. Cheering you on always. Thanks for the weeknight salmon recipe. I'll be using it.
You bet. It was good to see you.
You too.